Let's do the last project of our Avishkar Innovator kit, which is the racing car. Here are all the materials that we're gonna need. And let's get started with the first step. You're gonna take our 7.5 L channel and you're gonna put it in the air hole. Same for the other one. You're gonna get our 2.5 U beam and you're gonna put it at the end hole, just like that, and make sure it's attached properly because this serves as the middle of the car. After doing that, we're gonna put our L channel 2.5 at the starting, or whatever you can say. And we're done with the attachment, and we're gonna put our rod right through the third hole from the bottom. This is where we're gonna put our wheels. After putting the axle lock 3-hole connectors, make sure to tighten it on the side. But before that, you're gonna put this black spacer and a wheel. Same goes for the other side. Now you're gonna put a rod again from the third hole from the starting. And we're gonna put an axle lock in, a wheel, which means from the middle, yes, and another axle lock. And from both of the sides, we're gonna tighten it. Once we're done with this part, we're gonna bend some flexies like this one over here. Put the nuts in and attach it to the U-beam 2.5 middle part. Now burn 2 more flexies and attach it at the starting point where the one wheel is. This is basically gonna serve as the head of the car, because we're gonna attach our long rectangular plate by putting the screws first and attaching it to the flexies. Let's add our spoiler. We're gonna bend another flexi. It's gonna be a little bit complicated. Put the screw in, tighten the nut, and from the spoiler, put it through the 7th middle hole, which is our 7.5 U-beam, and attach it to our flexi. This car is gonna turn out pretty cool. Here we are almost done with our step. Let's add our final rubber band. You're gonna put it over the flexi, under the U-beam, and right on top of the 3-hole connector. This is basically gonna serve us as our pushback car. When we pull it back, it's gonna go forward automatically. Let's test it out, but first see my modeling skills. Here we are. We pull it back and it moves forward. I recorded 2-3 clips of it. Take a look. Let's pull it back one last time, and as you can see, it's going forward automatically. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.